Go.
Well, this is my comic book. I wrote and drew the entire thing myself. And I want everyone on the planet to log on to my website, saablofton.net. SAABLOF as in Flash, TON.NET, saablofton.net.
So what about the character significant?
Rufus is the first black funny animal character. The crows from Dumbo don't count. You figure if Mickey Mouse was human, he'd be Irish. If Bugs Bunny was human, he'd be Yiddish. But anyone that is familiar with the African American experience will immediately recognize familiar aspects of Rufus upon reading the very first page. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. Rufus is an activist, one of the few activist characters in comics. His job is to get the cats organized because the story is set rather, during the mid-1300s when the bubonic plague wiped out, or almost wiped out, all the felines in Europe. The religious right back then was far more powerful than it is now, and they had Jedi mind tricked the ignorant into, quote, thinking, end quote, that if they had killed all the cats, they would supposedly magically instantly cure themselves of the bubonic plague. The fact of the matter is it was the rats and the fleas on the rats that were causing the plague. By killing the cats, they increased the rat population. It just made the problem worse. And so Rufus and the cats in Rufus's world are a metaphor for how blacks are more often than not falsely accused of fallacious charges, and activists, organizers ought to be able to see themselves in Rufus. They ought to be able to relate to the comic.
Can I see the inside?
Well, you got to get a copy.
Okay, all right then. Thank you.